do contracting work. Primarily, I'd say it would be commercial and industrial. We've been getting into a few other things like home improvement stuff, just kind of anything you could imagine that would go into a contracting business. I was basically tasked with creating a water treatment service that we could provide our customers. For a few years now, my company has been wanting to get into that market because it's seemingly untapped in the state. We typically will build out all the components of the building, your boilers, your piping and all that stuff. And then we try to implement the chemistry and the chemical treatment with that. Lately, I've been sort of coming across a lot of systems that haven't really seen treatment in many years. You're going to see your typical tons of magnetite, iron oxide pitting inside of piping systems, and really just overall a lack of maintenance or treatment in a lot of the systems that we've come across. I think it just kind of slips people's minds that it's actually really important to be able to maintain a proper chemistry and balance to really extend the life of your system. The water in Utah is quite hard. We have a lot of calcium that is in the water sources, even after being purified and sent to your buildings and your homes. You have to balance that hardness, and in turn is going to turn to corrosion. And so it creates a whole lot of issues. My partnership with ChemREADY has been amazing. What they have taught me through their learning modules and working closely with them, my knowledge has grown vastly. What stood out to me about ChemREADY is it seems like they want you to understand their chemistry as well as water chemistry in general to just, better our society in terms of water treatment. Their cooling tower treatment, it's Cool Tower 121. It's a 95% all organic ultra concentrate. With the organic nature of it, I believe that it has a lessened chance to damage a system. And then where the ultra concentrate comes into beneficial effect is in the sense that you're not going to be, shipping 55-gallon drums everywhere. You're not going to have to worry about removing those from your facility. And since it's ultra concentrated, you can get away with smaller pails and less product in your system. Customers really do like that. Because we're offering the mechanical equipment, it's nice to actually be able to go in and say, we can also treat the equipment and make it last longer than it normally would. That in itself has helped boost relationships with our customers. ChemREADY, they're extremely knowledgeable, they're friendly, and above all else, dedicated. Dedicated with helping me understand what needs to be accomplished. They're dedicated with getting feedback to me and providing answers to my questions. And that's really important to me, and I know it is to a lot of my customers as well.